Hey guys, good morning. So this is everybody that lives in California. I think this bill is actually signed to help everybody that makes $30,000 and under a year. I think so. There is gonna be. Whoa! What happened to my phone? Did it just freeze? Are you kidding me, bro? Whatever. So yeah, this actually just got passed and signed by Newsom. It's gonna be $600 for everybody. I'm pretty sure making $30,000 under $30,000 in California. So this stimulus is actually just going to be for people in California. It's not going to be for the rest of the U.S. And I think I will be updating a little bit on the stimulus checks that might be signed by Joe Biden, and I think those are rumored to be again upwards in the $1,000 plus area. But as far as just California, Newsom signed the bill, and these $600 checks, which is not exactly a lot. But it should. I mean, I guess any little bit helps if you don't have it before, right? But I'm pretty sure that they were only going to be going out to people with under that make $30,000 or under. If you guys know any different of this, feel free to correct me in the comments. I'll see you guys later. Bye.